During our travels, we decided to upgrade our coil assist airbags with Airbag Man's full rear air suspension kit. This was to have more control over the car's ride height while towing the Caravan, plus the added flexibility while hitching and unhitching at various camps on uneven ground. We fitted all of the airlines, gauges and wiring ourselves at camp, but without a hoist, it was easier to get the guys at BlueFlame Automotive in Sydney to fit the airbags. Installing the onboard air control kit. Remove the dash to access the wiring behind the head unit. Fit the gauge into the dash and wire it up according to the installation instructions. Fit the switches into the dash and connect up the wiring harnesses, which are provided in the kit. Feed the wires down behind the dash so they can be run under the carpet to the air compressor at the back of the car. Attach the connectors to the ends of your switch wires, as per the kit instructions. Run all the gauge and switch wiring under the carpet to wherever your air compressor lives. Next, you'll need to fit the valve block onto something solid near the air compressor. Connect up all of your airlines, plugs, and pressure switches as per the instructions. Before installing the airbags, inflate each one and check that they're holding pressure. While the airbags are inflated, spray some soapy water around the fittings to check there are no air bubbles. This is how you confirm that no air is leaking out and they're ready for installation. Now it's time to fit the airbags.